Oh, I'm happy to be with you, Melissa. Thank you for inviting me. The traders and I were talking here on the desk about Tesla and how your B case for Tesla is $1,400 a share. Guy here said he'd take one. 400 CU, that's still pretty bullish. What is in, let's just even say the bear case, what assumptions are made about its business to get to that 1,400 by 27 number? Well, about a third of our valuation is associated with electric vehicles, EVs, and scaling them, and is, as you mentioned, Turkey a plant. Many countries do want a Tesla plant because this is the new world, right? So that's good. This is all working out. And then 2/3 of our valuation is around autonomous and autonomous taxi platforms. Well, if you've watched our trading, and we do publish our trades at the end of every day, you'll see that we've been trading a Tesla at the margin. So when it is soaring and everybody's excited about the good news as we move towards electric vehicles, we will take profits. And likewise, as investors and traders begin to fear that we're going to be in an air pocket, we've got a 5-year investment time horizon, and we think that in 5 years, most car sales will be electric. And that is a trend that lower prices actually are going to encourage. So that's the good deflation, as we've got electric drivetrain prices coming down. Okay. In price, Tesla can price down. It can price down if we're in a weak spot globally. And it does appear that we are certainly China and Europe. And even here in the United by Tesla now, it's Cathie Wood's last warning. Yes, you heard correctly. We're here to examine the ramifications of Cathie Wood's most recent warning because of her reputation for seeing trends before they become mainstream. Cathie. Market decline to the unparalleled opportunities offered by the company's groundbreaking technologies. But before we begin, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Tesla stock news page. Let's begin with the last few years. While Tesla's main goal has always been to transform transportation with its sleek electric cars, the company has also been covertly developing its own AI technology to supplement its vehicle capabilities. Tesla, the electric vehicle giant led by visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk, has been making waves not only in the automotive industry, but also in the field of artificial intelligence. One of the most important steps Tesla has taken in this direction is the creation of its own proprietary AI chip called the full self-driving computer. This chip powers Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving features, which allow its cars to drive themselves with a level of accuracy and dependability that distinguishes them from the competition. However, what distinguishes Tesla's approach to AI from that of other industry participants like NVIDIA is that it integrates AI directly into its vehicle hardware, whereas traditional automakers depend on off-the-shelf AI chips from firms like NVIDIA to power their autonomous driving systems. By taking a different approach and creating its own AI. Hardware in-house, Tesla has gained a competitive edge in the race towards fully autonomous vehicles by utilizing its knowledge of both software and hardware and gaining complete control over the creation and improvement of its AI algorithms. Tesla's AI technology and its electric cars have been seamlessly integrated. Tesla's AI venture goes beyond autonomous driving. The company's AI capabilities also extend to other parts of its business, such as energy management and vehicle production, paving the path for a future where self-driving cars are not just a possibility, but a reality. What does all of this mean for investors? In short, Tesla's foray into AI represents a significant opportunity for growth and innovation. By investing in Tesla, investors are not just buying into a car company, they are investing in a future where AI-powered technologies will revolutionize transportation energy. Beyond this, though, is a golden opportunity as Cathie continues to preach and speak about seizing opportunities. Tesla's AI algorithms are used to intelligently manage energy usage and store you. You should definitely take a look at what this implies about Tesla's remarkable growth. For Tesla bulls and those with a keen eye for finding the next stock market jewel, it goes beyond simply watching from the sidelines. Your one-stop destination for the most recent information on Tesla is Seeking Alpha. Targets for the price of Tesla's shares, Tesla innovation in all its forms, Elon Musk. The greatest online source for pro-Tesla news is Seeking Alpha. Get down to the facts and avoid the lamestream media's anti-Tesla rhetoric. For a unique discount, click the link in the description. Now, let's examine a viewpoint that may deviate from the popular story. As many people anticipate, a voice warns of a possible harsher fall as the aircraft lands. According to Wood, innovation frequently results in deflation. For example, Elon Musk has consistently pledged to lower prices in line with cost reductions, but he is lowering prices not because demand has fallen, but rather because his profit margin is higher than others in the automotive industry. It's the innovation cycle in action. And speaking of innovation, there's a flurry of it taking place concurrently on several fronts. Think about the 5 platforms that are changing multi-omic sequencing in our world. Robotics, artificial intelligence, energy storage, and drivetrain technology are all drastically lowering costs, increasing their effect and accessibility. Let's examine DNA sequencing in more detail. According to Kathy, technological advancements have resulted in significant cost savings with every doubling of the amount of industrially sequenced human genomes. It's a matter of perspective. Although chips may appear more costly, their increased capabilities greatly outweigh the cost increase. Robotics is becoming 50% cheaper with every doubling, revolutionizing manufacturing processes. And don't forget about energy storage and AI, where costs are falling rapidly. But why do some people still think the opposite? It's the force of invention at work that keeps everything moving forward, while NVIDIA may have been the poster child for AI chips. Kathy went on to say that Tesla's entry into the market heralds a new era of competition and innovation. As costs continue to drop across various technological fronts, the possibilities for the future are endless. So viewers, buckle up, this ride is just getting started. In our Big Ideas 2023 report, our chief futurist Brett Winton emphasizes the critical role that AI plays in driving innovation. Think of it as back in 2014 to the current AI frenzy. It's clear that investing trends have changed, and there are many opportunities today, with some people making large profits through ventures like limited edition Tesla models. When Tasha Keeney, Kathy's analyst, brought up GPP, I was puzzled. What Kathy asked, her response was a confident, yep, she foresaw GPUs as the brains or central nervous system of autonomous vehicles, a parallel processing powerhouse capable of handling multiple operations, simultaneously taking in data from various sensors like Cirrus and radar. Much like the complex world of video games back then, NVIDIA's stock was at a modest $5, but oh, how it soared. It became a top holding. Not just in RAKB, but also in RKQ, our autonomous technology and robotics fund. Why? Well, because robotics, particularly in the autonomous vehicle arena, reflecting on those days we were all in on NVIDIA. It was a strategic move driven by insights gained directly from NVIDIA itself. We asked the questions others weren't asking about genomics, about autonomous technology, and it paid off. Now everyone knows that the genomics revolution hinges on the convergence of various cutting-edge technologies, including artificial. The recent buzz about NVIDIA and ARK's apparent absence from the stock is like Tom Brady not winning the Stanley Cup. It's a ridiculous and untrue narrative. The truth is that we've been in on NVIDIA from the beginning. It's a top holding in RKQ, our autonomous mobility and robotics fund, and it features prominently in several of our other funds. However, let's not get caught up in the NVIDIA hype, especially since NVIDIA briefly joined the $1 trillion market cap club. In the midst of the flurry, it's important to keep in mind that there's more to the AI landscape than meets the eye. Companies like AMD, with its incredible growth, are making significant strides in the AI arena. And let's not forget the tech giants. Amazon, Google, and others are fighting for a piece of the AI market. But here's the really bad news. Although NVIDIA is ahead of the curve and its chips have specifications that surpass those of its rivals, this does not mean that NVIDIA is impervious to difficulties. The possibility of tech behemoths like Google using their AI expertise to their advantage presents a genuine risk. So while the rate of change in the AI landscape is astounding, there is also a lot of innovation going on. There is no doubt that AI has a bright future, and NVIDIA is only one component of the puzzle. One thing is very evident: the tale of NVIDIA's growth, from modest beginnings to its explosive climb, is only the beginning. NVIDIA's journey reflects the larger development of AI and its revolutionary effects on our world, but we must also acknowledge the part played by other significant figures in this story. For example, Tesla, with its innovative spirit and unwavering drive for innovation, is redefining industries and what is possible, whether it is creating its own AI chips or pushing the limits of autonomous technology. Is NVIDIA's dominance sustainable, or will rivals like Google and Amazon upend the status quo? What does the future hold for artificial intelligence and its integration into daily life? Please share your thoughts, questions, and insights in the comments section below, and don't forget to like. Tesla is still leading the way towards a future powered by innovation. Additionally, for more information, sign up for Tesla Stock News. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in our upcoming videos.